everyone. First of all, happy Independence Day to all the American people and to all my American fans. Today I will talk about the history of America. So let's start. Good morning. Today I want to take a few minutes to talk about something powerful, the history of United States and why many consider America to be the greatest country in the world. America's story begins with the idea of freedom. In 1776, 13 colonies came together and declared independence from British rule. It was a bold move by everyday people who believed that government should serve the people, not the other way around. The belief gave birth to one of the most influential documents in history. The Declaration of Independence. From there, America grew not just in land but in vision. The Constitution and the Bill of the Rights gave structure to freedom, guarantee their rights like free speech, the right to vote, and the ability to practice any religion. These were not just rules, they were promises to every citizen. Of course, the journey has not been perfect. America has faced deep struggles, slavery, civil wars, economic crashes, terrorism, etc. But etc. But what makes America special is not that it avoids hardship, but that it learns, grows, and rises above it. We fought a civil war to end slavery. The civil rights movement brought us closer to equality, and through it all, America welcomed dreamers and builders from around the world. People came not just for jobs but for the chance to live free, to speak, to worship, to become something more. America became a land of innovation, from the light bulb to the moon landing, from jazz to Hollywood, from Google to AI. We have led the world not just in technology but in imagination. And perhaps what truly makes America great is its spirit, a belief that no matter who you are, no matter where you come from, you can make it here. That belief has fueled generations of immigrants, civil rights leaders, and everybody heroes. We are not perfect, but we are always striving, always